This is the second heat of the girls 400 meter dash. Emma Griffithson 3, Herbert of Kankakee 4, Thompson of University of Chicago in 5, and Henry of Springfield in 6.
First call, boys, 1600. First call, boys, 1600. In the middle here, you've got University High Chicago with the early lead. That would be Thompson along with Hubert of Kankakee. Now let's see how it straightens out. Looks more like Kankakee here. And a little bit of a shuffle. It's Kankakee first. And Providence New Leonard